Looking for a faster way to wash and protect your car? This is street legal Red Cherry Raptor, a high foam concentrated wash and wax. You only need 3 ounces per gallon of water, making it powerful, efficient, and built to last. Perfect for both bucket washes and foam cannons. It's pH balanced so it's safe on your paint and surfaces while still delivering a deep cleaning. This high foam formula safely lifts dirt and grime without scratching. And while you wash, it leaves behind a protected wax layer. So you're not just cleaning, you're also protecting. And it finishes with a strong cherry scent that you will love. Rinse it off for a streak-free high gloss finish with water-beating protection. Street legal Red Cherry Raptor. Wash, shine, and protect in one step.